Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie back with another video. Happy Valentine. Well, you'll be watching this after Valentine's Day, but happy Valentine's Day to everybody, right? So today in the shop, busy weekend first off, right? For Valentine's Day, everybody got to get cute except for me. I didn't get cleaned up at all. But first off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share. Dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? So today we have an unboxing. Shout out to Stylecraft Rebel. Have no idea what's in this. We're gonna open it up and see what's in here though. You know what I'm saying? I said that right. Well, hopefully you all enjoyed your Valentine, had a good time. I know for the barbers, had to be a busy weekend, right? Because everybody, like I said, everybody trying to look good. Everybody got putting their best fits on. So that's what's up. You know what I mean? Hopefully y'all was able to get out as well and enjoy the holiday as well. All right. See what we got in here. A bag of some knickknacks, right? I don't even know. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Styling cone, a pen that will be used because I got a notebook that I keep with me every day. You gotta write your thoughts down. You know what I mean? You get older, you start forgetting stuff. A little pen there, some keychains. If you want to support, you know, show that you rocking with Stylecraft or Gamma throughout the day. And then what do we have here? String cleaner. Look like we got an apron as well. Nice little hat right there. Let me see what we look. My head is big. I can't even wear certain. I gotta keep my shit unbuttoned. Oh, they got a new Rebel up in here. So, okay, it look like we got a new Rebel 2.0, right? I haven't used the Rebel, my original Rebel, in a while. And if y'all been following or if you've seen some of my old videos, I was hooked on the Rebel for a long time until I got hooked on the Instincts, all right? But then, or lately though, from Gamma / Stylecraft, I've been using the shorties. These have been my go-to, along with another clipper that I will be reviewing here real soon. So anyway, Rebel 2.0, what's the difference? I don't know yet. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a different motor of some sort. I don't know how much different. It looks like the same design pretty much. Let's see. All right. There we go. Stylecraft Rebel Pro 2.0, upgraded performance, built for extended durability. Super carbon motor, runs up to 7,200 RPM and cuts through any hair type. I do think the other one was 7,200 RPM, but I guess with a different motor, you get you more more push through that thing. They do got the tight or the stretched the taper bracket on there. A lithium ion battery, 2.5 hours of runtime. Does have their Echo blade on there with a blue ceramic cutting blade. Pretty much looks about the same. I guess the biggest thing is the upgraded motor. It does come with different plates you can change out if you like to swap. Again, y'all know I don't do a lot of swapping, so it does come with their charging dock. I got so many of these, the tight, because I don't use them, right? I always either go to the Stylecraft, the Wahl guards or the Babyliss, not the premium Babyliss, but the regular Babyliss guards. I just think they're just too, which is, it's good for some people, but they're like too durable to me. I don't even know if that makes sense. Click lever, charging cable, of course. And it does have look like you got the USB-C on there. So since we got that, let's get to the clipper. I'm gonna have to dig in my garage and get the other, I do like that lever on there though. Nice lever, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if companies are paying attention to when people talk about stuff, but if you're gonna do a click lever, have an odd number. Don't try to have it, because most of them come with 5. Don't try to make it 4, and which is taken away. And then don't try to make it 6 to add more. I know with one of their clippers that I reviewed, it just had that 6 clicks and it was weird. But anyway, there is the Echo blade. I do like the color of that steel blade, that cutting blade in there. Like I said, I do like that lever. I like that design. Holding it, it seems a little bit more, if I can come this way, duh. But if you can see, it just, the way that it's designed with that little ergonomical curve in there, I like the way that feel in the hand. It feels a little lighter, but I haven't held the regular Rebel in a long time, so it actually might be about the same. But that is the machine. Sounds a little better. I do remember the sound, like even the Instinct, you know, different motors or whatever, but still got a little oomph to it. But you see they got the USB-C at the bottom, regular charging port at the bottom as well. 2.5 hours of runtime. I don't know how much this is, but I'm a guess, right? I'm a guess. Stylecraft Rebel 2.0, new motor. I'm gonna say $225. And if I'm wrong or right, the price is on the screen. I'm gonna say around about $225-ish though. All right. Should it be more? Should it be less? I don't know until I actually start using it. But as far as what comes in a box, it's pretty much the same thing. I don't change these a lot, as y'all know, but I think I do want to put that black. I think I do want to put that matte black finish on there. The body is all plastic. 2 hours of runtime. So we'll see. We'll see how it go. Shout out to Stylecraft for sending this my way. We're gonna put this to use real soon. I got me a resting weekend after, like I said, after Valentine's Day. It's been rocking and rolling. So I got me some time to rest. But then Tuesday, when we get back to it, we're gonna put them to use. And I'm gonna pull out my old Rebel to see if they have a, I have a boosted. Listen to this boosted. You don't want that next to the kid's ear who's moving and jumping around. I promise you, you don't. So cool. I like the way that, I like the look of that blade right there. I do. But either way, we're gonna put this to use. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And we'll be back with another review, a tutorial, an unboxing, or something very, very soon. All right? Peace.